We bought the mill about 6 years ago. It's fair to say that it was derelict. It had tin sheets on the roof. And I remember opening the door the first day that we moved in and the handle fell off. And then within 3 months we realised that the project actually was so far bigger than we'd ever imagined. I had 12 vintage sofas, which is where the name the Vintage Sofa Company came from, and I sold them in 3 days. And then I thought, there's something in that, and I thought, well, I'll buy some more sofas. That's how it started. The experience that I would love every customer to ever have here is that they would find that piece for themselves, and that it can tell their story, and that they can love and cherish it, and it can grow with them. I helped design the Chessington. The Harris tweed, it's made by hand. I always think about my dad's flat cap. He's had that cap for 30 years and it still looks brand new, and that's what I love about the Harris tweed. It's sort of going to age beautifully like leather does. Home has always been really important to me, and home has to be my safe place. By colour and texture and placing beautiful pieces in that home, you're styling it to yourself. So I only basically have in my shop things that I would have in my own home. The Oscar, when it's 50 years old, looks better than the day it was made. It's got coil sprung base and it's a sprung back. It's a beech frame that's made by hand. Every single one is completely unique. So I think if you only were to have one piece in your house, in your living room, I'd have the Oscar. I have the real privilege and honour of working with my children and my husband, and hopefully one day with my grandchildren. So the Howard really is a sofa for a lazy Sunday afternoon. It's high back, it's sumptuous, it's so comfy. It'd sit well in a period home, a cottage, but equally it'd sit really well in a modern home and be like a statement piece. We intend to put hydroelectrics back in, and we intend to re-establish the triple wheel that was here, so that we're sustainable as a mill. There's real integrity in everything I do, and in every product that I select, I want my customers to feel the passion, the love, the care and attention to detail, and to feel like I've actually picked it for them. Everybody needs to be able to buy products here and get good value for money. A British-made product that's going to last and go with their family is very important to me, that everyone feels like they can have a piece of the Vintage Sofa Company.